What? That was pretty good. Okay, let me get hanging out in this motherfucker because this might be a good idea. Okay, I might die though. Alright, let's do it. Can you lock the door? So bad. I feel like you're just trying to kill me. You didn't make it to happen one time.
Do you want me to? Do you want to drive and I hang out?
No.
Okay, hold on. Let me go do a lefty.
Okay. Okay. I know. God, that's weird. Yeah, all right.
That was a good one.
Yeah, all right.
You good?
We got the data we need.